Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing. And today I have this performance smart battery charger 20 volt 12 amp from Parkside. I have made a video how you can charge the 8 ampere hours and the 4 ampere hours performance battery. Don't miss it, it is very important, down below in the description or after the end of this video. Wi-Fi connectivity, Bluetooth, Eco Mode 60%, Parkside app, LED indicator, show us the charging process, so it is very important to check that video. Now today I have the curiosity to see what parts it has inside this charger and how it's working. So let's move on and disassemble this product. To do that we need to remove these 4 soft parts. And inside it has each silicone part 1 screw and another 2 screws here, so total we have 6 screws. There's the cover, remove it, and I need to remove another 1, 2, 3 screws. By the first look we can see it has a fan. Unplug the fan, the connection for the inlet here at the battery. This transparent plastic are the buttons with the LED indicators. There's the LED indicators with the 2 buttons, another 3 LED indicators here. They go here inside, illuminate here this area, so as the charging process. And there we have all the parts, the power cord connection. It says a BCB D217, capacitor, transmitters, diodes, all the parts. This silicone is keeping all the parts insulated at the right position. Heatsink, left and right. And of course here the most important, it is the Bluetooth Wi-Fi module connected at the board. We can see. So let's see what brand it is. Model WBR3. Okay. Nice. So you can connect your smart charger at your Wi-Fi network and to your smartphone or through a Bluetooth connectivity. Nice, I like it. So now we know what parts it has inside, how it looks, and charging my performance battery. We are smarter. Let's install it back. Connect, of course, the fan here. Connect and that. It is for the battery. The fan goes here. Next, the cover. And the 6 screws. Nice! Let's see if it's working. There it is. We have lights, eco 60%, connected the battery, the fan is working. Perfect. Don't miss the video that I made for this smart battery charger. Thank you for watching. Until my next video, don't forget to subscribe, share and hit the notification bell. Have a great holidays. Bye bye.